Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Bengali Ranna with Oindrila and আজকে আমরা বানাবো আমাদের classic Rezala. But this Rezala is going to have a twist. Typically this Mughlai dish is made with chicken or mutton and it's absolutely scrumptious. But today we are going to make a vegetarian version of this using paneer ताकि everybody can enjoy it. So let's see how it's done. The first thing we need is paneer. I have taken around 400 grams of paneer over here and this is Malai paneer and I'm going to cut nice big chunks of it. This is Malai paneer, it's very creamy and rich but आप normal paneer भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. So I have my paneer in nice big chunks. This is Malai paneer I'm using, it's very creamy and very delicious. But you can also use normal paneer to make this dish. See, I've cut them in 1 inch by 1.5 inch cubes. Ekটু বড় রাখবো, we'll keep them a little big so that it looks and you can see it when it's cooked. Now we're going to take 2 large onion and we're going to cut it. I'm cutting it roughly. খুব rough chop করছি because I'm just going to put it in the mixer. পেঁয়াজগুলোকে দিয়ে দিই তার সঙ্গে 5 to 6 green chilies, around 1.5 inches of ginger, adrak and quite a bit of around 2 tablespoons of garlic আর 2 চামচ মতো 2 tablespoons water. And now we're going to make a very smooth puree of this. চলুন এবার ম্যারিনেটটা বানিয়ে নিই. Let's make the marinade, adding around 2 tablespoons of my onion, ginger, garlic and chili paste, salt to taste, and now we're going to add in our paneer cubes. And then we're going to leave this paneer to marinate in this for at least 30 minutes. Rezala is one of my favorite things to have and আমরা এটা বাড়িতে অনেক বানাই and we have this very regularly, and this Paneer Rezala is actually one of my favorites for my vegetarian friends. Paneer pieces গুলো marinate হয়ে গেছে. Now এখন আমরা এটাকে 30 minutes এর জন্য we'll rest it. And now we're going to grind around 1/4 cup of cashews which I've soaked in water for half an hour, and 2 tablespoons of poppy seed posto. This also has been soaked for half an hour to 1 hour. 2 tablespoons water. And now we are again going to grind this to a very smooth paste. আমরা এটাকে grind করে নেব ফটাফট মিক্সিতে. And আমাদের কাজু আর পোস্তর paste is ready. Wow, see how smooth this is? It's very nice and very fine. Now let's add in around 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Paneer has been marinating for 30 minutes and now we're just going to fry them off. We just want a slight color on our paneer. This is almost done. We're just going to let it color up just a little bit. Now let's add in tej patta, whole red chilies and whole garam masala. 1 badi ilaichi, a little bit of cinnamon, some cloves and there is cardamom ilaichi. Let's put this just a little bit. And now in this we're going to add in our onion, ginger, garlic. Now let's add in our cashew and poppy seed paste. Oh, it smells incredible. ভীষণ সুন্দর মানে গন্ধটা আসছে. এটাকে একটুখানি আমরা কুক করে নিই for 2 to 3 minutes. We just cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add in dahi, 2/3 cup. Salt to taste. white pepper powder, सफ़ेद गोल मिर्च, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, chini. Now we'll add in water, around a cup first, and then we'll see if more is needed. Rezala has gravy ta onek patla hoy. It should be a thin gravy, it's not a thick gravy. But we of course want flavor, so we want to balance it out and make it not too thick and not too thin. I think around a cup of water is perfect. Kevda water and 1 teaspoon rose water. These are the traditional smells and flavors of Mughlai, and believe me, it'll add something fantastic to our gravy, to our Rezala. Oh, it smells so good. Now let's bring this to a boil. And now we're going to go add in our paneer in this. And 1 pinch garam masala from top. Bas, our Rezala is almost ready. এটাকে আমরা জাস্ট 2 থেকে 3 মিনিটের জন্য পনিরটাকে কুক করব আমাদের রেজালা গ্রেভিতে. Just gonna cook the paneer for 2 to 3 minutes in the gravy, and we're done. We're ready to serve this with some delicious naan, with some rice or parathas. Yum! And the paneer rezala is ready to enjoy. চলো এবার এটাকে প্লেট করা যাক. And this is my Paneer Rezala, a dish steeped in history and super delicious. This thin curd-based gravy is bound to make your mouth salivate and visually delicious, hoy. So you need to go try out this recipe right away. I'm off to enjoy this with some rotis and parathas and naans. And you don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel and like this video and comment on it. And of course, click on the bell icon below so you get notified of any new video that comes up. Bye.